Not my sister. And me at some point, one was making noise. The brother will call you go to the park. Please, we need some salad there. Okay. We jump on that. We jump for everything. You're back.
My brother, gentlemen of the press, good afternoon. We paid a courtesy call to our dear brother, His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State. Since the election is over, we have not been opportune to visit Rivers State to come and pay a homage to him. That's why we are here to relate with him, to tell him that we are together as friends, as brothers.
Probably you both are candidates of the PDP in your state. How prepared are you, or how far is your preparation?
Very, very prepared. We will deliver, God willing.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.